Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday's the cyclonic storm Gulab over the northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal crossed the north Andhra Pradesh and adjoining south Odisha coast 20 kilometer north of Kalingapatnam during 1930 to 2030 hours IST of 26th of September. And this cyclonic storm Gulab weakened into the deep depression at 2:30 hours IST of today, that is the 27th of September. And currently, this deep depression lies over the south Odisha and adjoining south Chhattisgarh at 11:30 hours IST of today, that is the 27th of September. It is 65 kilometers south of Jagdalpur and it is Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh. It is likely to move nearly westwards and weaken into a depression during next 6 hours and further weaken into a well-marked low pressure area during subsequent 24 hours. There is also possibility that this system is likely to emerge into the northeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Gujarat coast around 30th September evening, and there is also likelihood for the system to further intensify into the northeast Arabian Sea during the subsequent 24 hours after the emerging into the northeast Arabian Sea. This is this is the black color line is the observed track of the cyclonic storm Gulab, and this red color line indicates the forecast track of the deep depression over the South Odisha. So this red color line passes through the South Chhattisgarh. So this deep depression is very likely to move westwards across the South Chhattisgarh area. And yesterday, the widespread rainfall was reported over the Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Gujarat region, Marathwada, Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Kerala, and Lakshadweep area. And rainfall was reported at many places over the East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, some parts of Northeast India, Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa, and Karnataka. Light to moderate rain was reported over some parts of East Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Saurashtra, and Kutch. Yesterday, the heavy to very heavy rainfall was reported over the Odisha, Punjab, Gujarat region, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. And yesterday, the extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places was also reported over the coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy rainfall was reported over the Saurashtra, Vidarbha, West Madhya Pradesh, and Telangana. Here are the some significant rainfall amount are given which was observed yesterday. For example, the Vijayanagaram reported 28 centimeter rainfall in coastal Andhra Pradesh. Punjab 17 centimeter rainfall was reported in Pathankot. In Kerala, 17 centimeter rainfall was reported. In Odisha, 15 centimeter rainfall was reported. And this is the satellite picture of the cloud convection over Indian region. So this is the latest satellite picture. So it is very clearly visible that there is a moderate to intense convection over some parts of the Gujarat state, moderate convection over Rajasthan, and moderate to intense convection over the East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining Bihar area. And there is an intense convection over many parts of the South Chhattisgarh, many parts of the Vidarbha, Odisha, many parts of the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, some parts of the Maharashtra, and some parts of the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and also some parts of the Karnataka. This much of the cloud convection over the central India adjoining east and south peninsular India is because of the current deep depression system over the South Odisha and adjoining Chhattisgarh area. If we see the weather forecast and weather warning for the next 5 days, then since this deep depression over the South Odisha and adjoining Chhattisgarh is very likely to move nearly westward, and it will gradually weaken also, and this will move across the Telangana and then some parts of the Maharashtra during next 2 days as a low pressure area. So because of this, there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over the north coastal Andhra Pradesh and north coastal Andhra Pradesh for the next 12 hours. Means today evening up to today evening, there can be the extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places. There will be the extremely heavy rainfall over the South Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Vidarbha, and Marathwada area during next 24 hours, and there will be the very heavy rainfall over the Odisha for the next 24 hours, and after that there will be the slight reduction in rainfall over the entire Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, as well as the Vidarbha and Marathwada region also. And from tomorrow onwards, there will be the enhanced rainfall activity, particularly over the Maharashtra and Gujarat region, Gujarat state particularly, and today also there are chances of the very heavy rainfall over the entire Gujarat state, over the Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu and Kerala also. And tomorrow onwards, there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over the Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan and Goa on 28th of September. And however, the very heavy rainfall very likely to continue over the Saurashtra and Kutch up to 30th of September, and over the Gujarat region up to 29th of September. After the 29th September, there will be the significant reduction in rainfall over most parts of the Maharashtra, many parts of the Gujarat region, and Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. And there will not be any significant rainfall over the most parts of the northwest India, except the East Rajasthan, where the light to moderate rainfall is expected during next 24 hours. And also there will not be any significant rainfall over the entire northeast India for the next 5 days. And as far as the South Peninsular India is concerned, so there will be some heavy to very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu for the next 2 days, and over the Kerala for the heavy to very heavy rain for next 24 hours, and after that heavy rainfall for the subsequent 24 hours. After that, means from since 29th of September onwards, there will not be very much significant rainfall over the most parts of the peninsular India, except isolated rainfall at one or two places over the Tamil Nadu region. And you can download the Mosam app for location specific forecast. You can download the Damini app for the lightning alert in your region. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information in your area. Thank you.